Hi, my name is Logan, and right now I'm trying to grow this a little bit out. Anyways, trending now is the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, which is, I guess, for good cause. It's giving an incentive for schools or other research institutes to research possible treatments for ALS. Of course, the institute that came up with a drug is going to patent it and try to make money off of it. That's the reason why people do this stuff, incentives, profits. But what some people don't realize is that these donations isn't going to help everyone. It's going to help the pharmaceutical companies or the research institute that came up with the drug, mainly. The issue that I see is once the pharmaceutical company comes up with a drug, they are going to patent it and make money off of it, which limits the impact of the community. So rather than just donating to research, we could also donate to institutes or charities that fund these vaccinations or treatments to people in need. Or you could even think broader and actually create a fund to buy out the patent, and it could actually benefit more people, and which makes the drug a generic drug, which will probably be a lot more benefit, but it'll be a lot more costlier, whatever the pharmaceutical company thinks is the value of the patent. The best current day example is Gardasil, which is currently owned by Merck. Merck owns the patent to Gardasil for the next 15-ish years, I believe, and they have this exclusive rights to sell Gardasil. Gardasil is a shot to prevent certain strains of HPV, and each shot is about $120 something. So if you have insurance, that's great, your insurance pays for it. But as for other people, some people may not have the money for $120 something per shot. In some countries, they're making Gardasil as a mandatory vaccinations for teenage people, which the money comes out from taxpayers of that local country. So you are in turn paying for a vaccination of someone else, which is a good, and it could be a bad thing depending on how you would want to do this. So that's my take for donations to research institutes and or companies that does pharmaceutical research. That would be nice if there are funds to just buy out patents, and then those are people who want to solve this issue rather than having the government take over the burden and have the taxpayers pay for these. Again, thank you for watching, and if you like what I talked about, you can subscribe. If you don't, if you feel that I'm a boring person, you can press dislike. If you like it, you can press like. Whatever you want.